Hey, what's up guys, I'm Michael King, back again with another video. So this video is analyzing the XAUUSD, which can also be called gold, and you can see this is gold on a daily time frame. I already marked some major resistance level and support level on gold. So let me start explaining all the way from this point. As you can see right here, we have a major support level on gold during this period, and let's register price the first time, also register price the second time. So when price registered the first time, price went up all the way to this point, and this was a major resistance level for gold. So this is the rejected price, and price fell down all the way to this point, and price made an upward movement once again, and this level stand as the second resistance level for gold. So this rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point, testing this major support level. And you can see when price gets to this major support level, price rejected and price went up to this point. So this level stands as a resistance level also for gold, meaning that on gold we have three resistance levels, which is 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see, this is forming like a downward pattern for gold right now. So this rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point. So currently on gold, this is the major support level for gold. So this level rejected price the first time, and looking at what is happening in gold right here, you can see that gold is likely to fall all the way down to this point, because this level rejected price, and price went up all the way to this point, even testing this major support level right here. And you can see this major support level right here stand as a major resistance level for gold before gold start falling all the way down to this point. So my guess is that gold is likely to fall all the way to retest this major support level before we can see probably an upward movement, or price might break this major support level, forming another low. But I'm going to switch to the H4 time frame now to show you how you can trade gold right now. So as you can see right now, this is the major resistance level right here, and this is the major support level right here. So I'm going to zoom it a little bit so you can see what is going on your XAUUSD on H4 time frame. So when price rejected at this point, price fell all the way down to this point. And this level stands as a minor support level, and rejected price, and price went up to this point, and this level serves as a minor resistance level. So this level rejected price, and as you can see, price is falling all the way down to retest that major support level. So if this major support level can reject price, then price is likely to go up to probably retest this level. They might see rejection right here, but if we don't see rejection right here, then price is likely to head to this next minor resistance level before price can get to this major resistance level. So you have to place your buy stop order when price gets to the major support level. And if you are thinking of selling XAUUSD, then you can wait for retracement for maybe price to get all the way to this point to retest this minor resistance level right here. So if this level can reject price, then you can place a sell stop order right below it and apply proper risk management. So that was all on good analysis. If you did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button, share to your friends. Also like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.